This is the rampant produced by Luverne Truck Equipment. It's a rear carrier with a stowable ramp. It's designed to fit both the 2-inch receiver hitches and the 1.25 inch. Real simple to use. All you have to do is remove the 2 safety pins on the passenger side. Slide the ramp out into a fully extended position. Take the item that you want to haul, wheel that right up onto your carrier, centering it onto the carrier, and lift the ramp back up, putting it into the locked position. Replace the safety pins. Don't forget to do it on both sides. And it's as simple as that. Okay, once you get your load securely fastened using the provided tie-down holes, you're ready for the open road. Keep in mind that this product can be used for a number of different applications, from your storage containers to your lawnmowers, snow blowers, scooters, and all your hunting and camping needs. You can take a look at this and other products on our website, LuverneTruck.com. Thank you.